How to add a truck in FMS. Begin by logging into the Fleet Management System, FMS. To add a truck, navigate to the Vehicles and select Trucks. Locate and click on the Add Truck button. Enter the truck or unit number and the truck type. Enter the VIN accurately without any errors. Input the truck model, fuel type, tank capacity and upload images of the truck. Once all the required fields are completed, click on the Next button. Enter the registration details and click the Next button. Enter the liability insurance and cargo insurance details and click the Next button. Review the information you have entered. Click on the Add Truck button to finalize. Upon successful addition of the truck, a confirmation screen will be displayed. Yay! The truck is now added. The newly added truck will be listed on its respective page.